technically.
Go that Ocean!
Two more! Come on!
That's not even fair.
Your hammer's better.
It's all about the hammer.
Down. I just want to see you use that one.
Hold on.
Sorry.
That was weak.
You get a prize.
Prize?
That's what he said. He's getting you a prize.
You get a prize, my friend.
You know what this is, right?
Oh, God, no.
Yes, it's one of these. Now, if you do have a lovely bony lass, that is your free get out of jail card. If you end up on the couch, pull that out of your wallet,
I'm sorry.
get off the couch.
They gave me
Sorry,
a
babe. There you go.
I love you.
Yay!
Nice, thank you.
Awesome. Good job, Jason.
That was cute. Aww. Ah!
Oh, shit.